niggas wanna lie, the niggas wonder why, niggas wanna die. All I know is pain, all I feel is rain. How can I maintain with matching on my brain? I resort to violence, my niggas moving silence like you don't know what our style is. New York niggas the wildest, my niggas is with it. You want it, come and get it. Took it, then we split it. Fucking right, we did it. What the fuck you gon' do when we run up on you? Fucking with the wrong crew, don't know what we gon' through. I'ma have to show niggas how easily we blow niggas. Let me find out it's some old niggas that's running with yo niggas. That's what we can't handle. Break it up and dismantle. Light up like a candle. Just cause I can't stand you. Put my shit on tapes like you busting grapes. Think you holding weight, then you haven't met the apes. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's a Rough Riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's a Rough Riders roll. Is y'all niggas crazy? I bust you and be swavy. Stop acting like a baby. Mind your business, lady. Know these people get it too. When you see me spit at you, you know I'm trying to get rid of you. Yeah, I know it's pitiful. That's how niggas get down. Watch my niggas spit rounds. Make you suckers sit round. If I talk a shit clown, or you think it's funny, then you don't know me, money. It's about to get ugly. Fuck a dog, I'm hungry. Guess you know what that means? Come off that green. 5 niggas on ravine. Don't make it a murder scene. Give a dog a bone, leave a dog alone. Let a dog roam and he'll find his way home. Home of the brave, my home is a cave. And yo, I'm a slave to my home, it's a grave. I'ma pull papers, it's all about the papers. Bitches got the vapors and now they wanna rape us. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's a Rough Riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's a Rough Riders roll. Man, look what you done started. Ask for it, you got it. Had it, should've shot it. Now your deal departed. Get at me, dog, did I rip shit? But this one here, I flip shit. Niggas know when I kick shit, it's gonna be some slick shit. What would that look for when I walked in the door? Oh, you thought you was wrong? Boom, not anymore. Cause now you on the floor. Wishing you never saw me walk through that door with that 4-4. Now it's time for bed. 2 more to the head. Got the floor red. Yeah, that nigga's dead. Another unsolved mystery. It's going down in history. Niggas ain't never did shit to me. Bitch ass niggas can't get to me. Got to make a move. Got a point to prove. Gotta make them groove. Got them all like, ooh. So to the next time you hear this nigga rhyme, try to keep your mind on getting pussy and crime. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's a Rough Riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's a Rough Riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh.